Hi, it's Tina and Tim, and today the number one question is how to establish paternity. And Tim is going to tell us, number one, the easiest way to establish paternity is.
To sign the acknowledgement of paternity.
And where does one sign the acknowledgement of paternity?
At the hospital when the baby is born.
Bing, 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 bing. So
the next way to establish paternity, Tina?
Is you get a court order. And through that court order, you're going to have to say some delicate things to the court, like, when was the last time you had sex with her? So, and then they're going to send you out to have a DNA test. So either you are the dad or you're not the dad, kind of like a Jerry Springer episode. Who's the baby daddy is going to be revealed at the courthouse. And then you'll be asked even more embarrassing questions so that the court has enough information to say, you are the father.